Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for your Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro. So first I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out in this phone. So let me show you. You can just pinch screen with your two fingers and you can zoom in to the 10 times. That's, by the way, the quality of the zoom. When you go to the video mode, you can also zoom in, but to the 5 times. And next, now when you click on the screen, you are able to decrease or increase brightness level manually. To do this automatically, just click on the screen like that. Next, when you tap on this button, you can add some filters. As you can see, they change the color and the temperature and also add some advanced cool looking effects. We can also click on this arrow and turn on the shutter delay between 3 or 5 or 10 seconds. Let's turn it off right now and let's open the settings where we can find other useful options. For example, with the volume buttons, we can take the photos or zoom in or zoom out. So let me show you how it works. Take a look. The volume buttons are located right here on the left side. So when I click on the volume up or volume down, I can just take the photos. When I click and hold one of this button, I'm going to take this series of the photos. And we can take even over 100 photos, so that's actually impressive. When you go back to the settings, we can also turn on the touch photography. So right now, when I click on the screen, the photo will be taken. When you want to adjust other parameters manually, you can open the Pro mode, where you can find a lot of options. When you go for this camera family options, as you can see, that's like 3, 6, 9, 12. That's 24 different modes that you can actually use. That's a lot. And one of my favorites, it's where it was located. Wait a minute. Yeah, that was this vlog mode. So right here you can find automatic like presets, some transitions, music, other cool effects that your phone is going to automatically apply. And that's, as you can see, a lot of different presets that we can use. For example, we can get this, maybe the dynamic one. So we have to click. That's, by the way, the preview of this mode. That's how it looks with all of this transition and the music. So when you click like that, you have to rotate your phone. And right now you have to just start recording one by one. Of course, it's not going to look awesome because I'm in the small office, so I don't have any interesting, things around me, but we can try to catch some angles. And it's finished, I guess. So then you have to click on this switcher to confirm. Now your phone is going to put it all together. And that's how it looks. And then you can just click right here to set it to your gallery. And yeah, that's all camera tips and tricks for your Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro. That's all, hope you like it.